everyone. Good evening, everyone. My name is M.S. Srishan, and I'm the English teacher. Thank you for connecting to Smile for All Foundation. I'm dealing with subject English, and the topic that I'm going to take up is verb. What are verbs actually? In a simple example, to understand what is verb, it is called as the action words. All the action words are called as verb. Verbs are words that show an action. Any action that you do is called as a verb. For example, dance, sing, walk, eat, dream, jump, swim, play, read, write. These all types of these action words are called as the verbs. It also showcases the develop or a state of being exist. In all the forms, the verb all the action words are considered as verb. The basic form of a verb is also known as its infinitive. The forms we call it as call, love, break, and go. Coming to the different types of verbs, there are three types of verbs that we come to know: the action verbs, linking verbs, helping verbs. Once again, I repeat, children. There are three types of verbs that we are going to study about: action verbs, linking verbs, and helping verbs. Let us know little more in detail about this. The action verbs. What are the action verbs? Action verbs that expresses an action. The word itself speaks about the action. Expresses an action is called as the action verbs. Like give. You're giving some fruit. Give some fruits to Karthik. So it is an action word. It is expressing an action. Eat. I am eating. I am going to eat. Walk. Let us walk together. Let me walk towards Hosadurga Road. So this all words expresses the action. So they are called as the action verb. For example, the sun shines. The sun shines. Shines is the action. The action. What is the sun's action? It is shining. So shines is the action verb. The monkey jumps. Who is jumping? The monkey is jumping. Jumps is the action done by the noun, the monkey. So it is called as an action verb. Coming to the second one, linking verbs. What are the linking verbs? Linking verbs explains a link between the subject of the sentence and a noun or adjective. For example, the subject here, the flowers are bright. The flowers dash bright. Are is the linking verb. The link, the connection you call. So the flowers are bright. Here are is the linking word, linking verb. Are is the verb which connects to the noun. The flowers are bright. Subject, verb, object. I feel scared. I feel scared. I feel. Feel is the linking verb. What happened to you? I feel scared. The feeling is the verb, action verb. Linking word you call this. Coming to the next one, the helping verb, third form. What is the helping verb? Helping verb, it means directly, it showcases help or support the main verb. When there is a main verb which it is being supported, then it is called as the helping verb. Example, we are in the greenhouse club. HV, what is the short form? Helping verb. We are in the greenhouse club. In the club we are all there. So we are. R is the connecting word, the helping verb which makes the sentence complete in nature. So we are in the greenhouse club. R is the helping verb. Next one, you should complete the work by tomorrow. Complete, you should complete the main verb. What is the helping verb? You should. You complete the work by tomorrow. No, you should complete the work by tomorrow. You should. Should becomes the helping verb. So these are the. This is a very simple exercise, children. Kindly go through this. The verb forms. The verb. What is the definition of verb and the verb forms? In the next class, in detail, I will give you the table of verbs. Thank you very much. Namaste.